Hello, my name is Drishti. I have shifted to Mumbai from Calcutta, and I'm a certified financial advisor. I have been working from past 7-8 years as a financial advisor, mutual fund. I deal with all financial products, and yes, I have choose Digital Vidya for my digital marketing course. I was very fond of doing because I was having a time period where I could do. I'm already having a business as well as I'm doing my friend's business, helping my friend. She is having the Tofa Junction, that is gifts and personalized gifting store. Over there, Instagram posts, meta ads, everything. How I will try to landing pages I have created. I will try to take it to the next level. The journey was very good. Lots of learning were there in the core modules. Different trainers were there. Mostly the things were practical enough. Everything was being tried to be done in the class. Even assignments were given for more learnings. There are many several things that made my journey interesting.